To connect the Shokz OpenDots Air to an iPhone is fairly simple. You're going to start by just opening up the settings app on your iPhone and then going to open up Bluetooth. Now in your Bluetooth settings, you're just going to now start and open up the case for the Shokz OpenDots Air and put them in pairing mode. This is fairly simple. Just press on the touch button like so until they enter pairing mode. Once they're in pairing mode, you're then going to find them in the list of available devices on your iPhone. If they haven't yet appeared, just go ahead and close the page and reload it again. So exit, go back, and you should be able to see your Shokz OpenDots Air. So go ahead and select it. And once you've selected, you should now be able to see the connected option, letting you know you can now listen to any audio coming from your iPhone using the Shokz OpenDots Air. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.